Hi, my name is Paul from Environmental Solar Systems, and here's our do-it-yourself solar home heater kit. And it uses two solar hot air panels, and it totals about 34 square feet, and a 220 CFM fan. And the inlet is 63 degrees, and the outlet is 173 degrees. And the temperature outside is about 30 degrees Fahrenheit. This here is about, we have snow on the ground, so it's one of the most efficient systems out there. AI determined, because of the airflow and the wattage of the fan, it's about 98% efficient. But naturally, that's pretty much impossible, so if you figure about 85%, that would probably be about right. So it's probably one of the least expensive systems you could put out there to heat your house. My house is about 2,500 square feet, and it keeps the furnace off all day. It's a great way to heat your house with solar energy during the daytime. Thank you for watching.